Hello again. Welcome to Wonders LED Lighting World. My channel is mainly talk about LED lighting and how to find a good supplier in China. If you are new here, my channel had a lot of LED products video and show how to communicate with LED manufacturer. So don't forget to subscribe me. Today in this video, I would like to show a new baby. The white color LED track light. The track light is 30 wattage. The driver and the chips is separately. Driver inside the driver box. We can achieve dimmable or non-dimmable function and also have flicker-free or flickering optional. This track light can be 360-degree adjustment. Lighting degree vertical adjustment. You can adjust the direction anywhere. The track head we can offer 2 wheels, 3 wheels and 4 wheels for different track rail system like Halo Juno, Lightolier or Araco. LED chips we normally use Austrian or Luminous chips. CRI can be 80, 85, 90, 95. CCT is from 2200 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. We used LED lens instead of reflector, make the light point looks more beautiful. If you want to know more about these products or other LED track light video, subscribe me and search different track light video. Thank you so much for your watching today and have a nice day.